Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you on a special video using Python to handle XML files. Actually, sometimes we need to handle XML files to read XML files as a data set or data. So you have to extract some information or some features from the XML file to process for analysis or for other purpose in Python operation. So you have to upload a movies file. This is our XML files here, and after uploading this, it will read the movie files from this XML, and after reading this, then go forward to the class section, import XML. This is the XML XML features reader or XML tools that will operate on XML files. So this is the movie class XML handler. This is the tools to how to handle XML file. Div function. This is self, some initialization of variable, description, start rating, year, format, type, everything, and then start element, self tag, attributes, and self content data is equal to tag. If tag equal to movie, if we see inside the XML file, look like this. No, this is different. See this file, XML file. This is the movie title, type, format, year, rating, start, description, is already discussed in the XML function definition. All the sections transfer from movies, name, title, type, format, year, ratings, stars, and description. So now go forward to the coding. This type, format, year, rating, star, description is a normal description of the XML files data, and then call elements. So to handle some elements from the XML file, you have to initialize current data is equal to tag. If tag equal to movie, this is tag equal to movie. This is the title name. Tag equal to movie. Transfer not. Try one. Stop. So this tag is equal to movie. Print movie. Tag name is equal to is our XML file names. This is the tag equal to movie. This is the XML file names, and then print movies, and attributes is equal to title inside the XML file. This is the title of the movies, print title. After executing the program, we will see the movies title enemy behind. The movie title is enemy behind, and then everything is the description or will be print. So first thing is that you have to go to the movie XML file, then print movie and extract the title and print something. So to print this, we have to go forward to the call the elements, everything elements from the element tag, self tag, tag into movie, or if you if you get movies files, tag is with movies, and then get print everything. If set type, current data type, and set current format, current data, everything current data is equal to format. That will call sequentially all the data from here, type, format, year, rating, everything. That will just use the current data, self.current data, that will get everything. So current data equal format. This is the variable format from the definition or constructor, and then current data here self data. This is the type format of data, and rating it gets from the XML files, and then it matches with the self type print self.type. So everything is initialized using these codings. So its current data is equal to where. So how many features you have to initial all the features inside the group. So in the XML file we have features like this: the movie title, type, format, year, ratings, stats, description. So 3, 3, 6, 7 title in here. So you have to use 7 or more ways, which depends on your data set. And then go forward, call when the character is used. The same things, just doing say we have to initialize, or you have to initialize everything character by character. So here is the variable content. So it will pass the variable content. If self dot current data is equal to type, so initialize the past content from content handler. So this is the different sections you can use or not this section. So go forward to this movie XML make parser, and it will parse your file, and features XML.sx handler, feature name is with 0, and the movie handler, this is the name, and parser set content handler. So just handler, yes, you will assign, and parser and parse, that will be for movie XML file. So if you run this program, that will read all the data from the XML file is already initialized or already exists in your XML file. So after running this code, you will get this following output. And so guys, if you like my video on my channel, you can subscribe on my channel to get new video. If you have any questions and any doubt about my video, so throw comments on Facebook page, on YouTube channel, videos, contents, comment section. So thank you everyone to watch my video.